everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be talking about post-extraction instructions. So the first instruction that you give to the patient is bite on the cotton for 45 minutes. तो मतलब आपको जो गॉस पीस है उसके ऊपर 45 minutes तक bite करना है. So the reason why we tell the patient to bite for 45 minutes is because the bleeding stops. Moreover, what happens, we want the blood clot to be stabilized. जो blood clot बनता है उसको हमको stabilize करने के लिए 45 minutes bleeding को रोकने के लिए हमको patient को bite करने के लिए बोलना होता है cotton पे. After that, you have to ask the patient to remove the cotton and take ice cream, which is without fruits, without nuts. If the patient is a diabetic, you can ask them to take sugarless plain ice cream, or you can ask them to take cold water after 45 minutes. Then for the doctors, whenever you are putting the gauze piece inside the patient's mouth after extraction, it should not be a dry gauze piece. गॉस पीस को थोड़ा मॉइस्ट करना है सलाइन में, उसके बाद ही रखना है, क्योंकि इफ यू कीप द ड्राई गॉस पीस पेशेंट के माउथ में, व्हाट कैन हैपन, जब पेशेंट 45 मिनट्स के बाद हटाता है गॉस पीस, the clot can also get dislodged with the dry gauze piece. So always moisten the gauze piece and then place in the patient's mouth. हमेशा हल्का सा गीला करके इसको निचोड़ने के बाद, and then you have to place it on the extraction site. You have to ask the patient not to spit any blood or saliva that the patient needs to swallow for at least 24 hours. So जो भी थूक और खून आता है वो at least 24 घंटे अंदर लेना है, थूकना नहीं है. Then you have to ask the patient to not brush on the side where the tooth is extracted. जहां आपका दांत निकाला गया है वहां पे 24 घंटे आपको ब्रश नहीं करना है. अगर आप बाकी जगह पे भी ब्रश कर रहे हैं तो बहुत धीरे से आप लाइटली ब्रश कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद there is no spitting or gargling allowed. तो आपको पानी बहुत हल्के से हिलाना डुलाना है और अपने आप ही थूक के साथ उसको गिरने देना है जो भी थूक है. बट आप 24 hours on the safer side, you need to avoid brushing on that side, or in fact brushing for 24 hours can be avoided completely. Bleeding usually stops in 45 minutes, but आपको 24 hours you can feel that there can be some taste of blood in the mouth. Blood mixed with saliva can give that sensation that there is slight amount of bleeding that is taking place. अगर extraction was traumatic, if you feel there's severe bleeding, then what you can do is you can take a tea bag, moisten the tea bag and bite on the tea bag tightly. What the tea bag does, it releases tannic acid, which results in the contraction of the vessels, and it stops bleeding. Even after that, if the bleeding is not controlled, then you need to call your doctor. Then you should take the medications as advised. So the doctor will usually prescribe you antibiotics and analgesics. Sometimes we might prescribe you amoxicillin, Amclap, Augmentin is given sometimes, and sometimes we also prescribe along with Augmentin we give Metrogyl after extractions. And if there is swelling is implicated, we might give something with serratiopeptidase as well to bring down swelling. Then the patient should avoid any kind of gargling in the mouth for 48 hours. कोई भी कुल्ला नहीं करना है. अगर आप ब्रशिंग कर भी रहे हैं तो पानी हल्के से हिलाना डुलाना है एंड गिरा देना है. मतलब उस नहीं तो आपका जो ब्लड क्लॉट होता है that can dislodge and you can present with dry socket. Then if you are having any kind of juice, then straw needs to be avoided. Anything that creates any kind of negative pressure in the mouth, that needs to be avoided. Even smoking or vaping in any form also has to be avoided for at least 5 days, or if it can be extended, it has to be extended till 1 week. Any kind of habit, if you have pan chewing, alcohol, all that needs to be avoided. Then any kind of carbonated or aerated drinks, जिसमें soda and all these also needs to be avoided. Any kind of negative pressure, if you are smoking or anything, that can dislodge the clot and you can present with dry socket. Any kind of vigorous exercises, dancing, singing, sitting upright for a longer duration also needs to be avoided. if there is a traumatic extraction or something, patient should not sleep on that side. So उस तरफ करवट लेके आपको नहीं सोना है जिस साइड दांत निकला है. Preferably you should avoid that. Then the patient can present with a swelling in some wisdom tooth extractions, mostly in lower wisdom teeth extraction. So in those cases, the doctor can give an ice pack in the clinic. So that needs to be put after you go home. If you have the swelling, आप ice ले सकते हैं. You can take ice, wrap it in a cloth, and from outside, wherever the tooth is extracted, there outside you can place it 15 minutes on and 15 minutes off. So जो ice pack use करना है, that can be used only for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you are not supposed to use any kind of ice pack on the outside. Usually the swelling also subsides within 7 to 10 days. ये wisdom tooth में होता है, and we usually give DEXA injection or we do PRP when we are extracting the tooth. Be any kind of ointment, any kind of hot application should be avoided outside. It can result in other complications, so they have to be avoided. Another thing, patient needs to take soft food, semi-solid food like khichdi, pongal, but it has to be cooled down. It should be at a normal temperature for the first day, and after maybe 48 hours or something, you can switch to lukewarm food. It should not be hot, but the food needs to be soft. Anything that is hot, hard, spicy and sour, खट्टी, कोई भी चीज जिसमें मिर्ची ज्यादा है या सख्त है वो, और कोई भी चीज जो बहुत ज्यादा स्पाइसी है वो आपको अवॉइड करनी है. Then is that if we have given any kind of sutures, then patient has to come for suture removal after 8 days. If they are resorbable sutures, you have to tell the patient that they will go on its own within 10 to 14 days. So you need to advise the patient to take a lot of fluids when the healing is taking place. Let them drink lots of water, or let them have lots of juices when the healing takes. Sometimes the pain can increase after third day. There can be kind of itching sensation on the third day when you feel there's some pulling kind of pain. So the patient should not get afraid on that, because place then the scar, the wound starts contracting, so thereby you feel that pulling kind of the pain on the third day. But if the pain is very severe, you are having excruciating pain, बहुत तेज अगर दर्द हो रहा है, then you need to visit your doctor. तब आपको अपने पेशेंट डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, क्योंकि it might be possible कि आपको वहां से clot dislodge हो गया हो, and you might be presenting with symptoms of dry socket. Then as you can see bruising on outside, sometimes during severe extraction, that also heals within 1 week to 2 weeks on. तो edges पे ulcers हो सकते हैं. To avoid that, doctor can use Vaseline when they are extracting the wisdom tooth. And then slight numbness can be seen. Now you need to assure the patient that numbness भी हो सकती है after extraction, which can last for some hours. So you have to tell them that it is normal, and within 24 hours it will be normalized. आपको सुन्न फील हो सकता है काफी देर के लिए कुछ पेशेंट पे. Then trismus हो सकता है पेशेंट को, तो that patient might be unable to open the mouth when we are doing lower wisdom tooth extraction, या बहुत देर तक पेशेंट माउथ खोल के रखते हैं लास्ट wisdom tooth extraction के लिए या ऊपर वाले टूथ के एक्सट्रैक्शन के लिए. तो sometimes पेशेंट को trismus muscles जो है वो trismus में चले जाते हैं, तो that's why the patient might be unable to open the mouth, but it usually starts reversing within 1 week. Then another problem is that patient might be unable to close the mouth. अगर वैसा कुछ है, then this is an abnormal thing. So patient should be able to close the mouth. Open lock नहीं होना चाहिए कभी भी किसी patient का after extraction. So if you're unable to close the mouth, then you should visit your doctor. You've been on cold food for 48 hours. After 48 hours, आपको हल्का गुनगुने पानी में, not very hot, you have to take lukewarm water. उसमें you have to add lot of salt. So you have to make it hypertonic. So through that you have to do lightly rinses you need to do after 48 hours. तो बहुत ज़्यादा gargling नहीं करनी है. You have to lightly place the water like this like this and slowly you need to release the water. हिलाना डुलाना है और गिरा देना है and उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा नमक डालना है to make it hypertonic. So what basically it does is through osmosis it flushes out any food debris or any bacteria which is there. It flushes out and it cleans the extraction site. The patient should be advised not to use any kind of mouthwash, alcohol containing mouthwash after extraction. आपको किसी भी तरीके का mouthwash use नहीं करना है. So that brings us to the end of the video. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can leave a message in the comment section below. If you have liked the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.